Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to khaojee. Today we are making brain masala. First put oil in pan and put sliced onions in it. And fry the onions until it gets transparent. Now put sliced tomato in it. Then add red chili flakes as per your taste. Then add coriander powder in it. Then add salt as per your taste. Pinch of turmeric in it. Mix it well. Now put some water in it. Again mix it. And put the lid on it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take off the lid and mix it. Now put brain in it. Now put some ginger garlic paste in it. Mix it well. Now add some garam masala in it. Mix it well. Now add sliced green chili in it. Then add fresh coriander in it. Close the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. And the brain masala is ready. Hope you like the video. Like, share and subscribe to khaojee. Allah Hafiz.